Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, as I told you in the last video, today we are going to start with the numericals. So here are some numericals for your practice. So let us see one each by each. First one, calculate the ratio of the alkali metal bromides on the basis of the given data below and predict the form of the crystal structure in each case. Ionic radii in pm picometer are given below. So dear student, I have given you in the notes over there when I was talking about the video, that is radius ratio. So radius ratio I have discussed with you. Using that particular formula, you have to go for solving this. Now try to understand the question. The question is that calculate the ratio of alkali metal bromides. So alkali metal bromides, we are going to talk about. The ratios are already given to you of the each particular one. Okay, first is lithium. Now see, lithium Li plus divided by Br minus. In each case we have to do the same. So you are able to see that lithium ion divided by the bromide ion, sodium ion divided by the bromide ion, potassium ion divided by the bromide ion, rubidium ion and cesium ion, it also divided by the bromide ion. So in each of the cases you are dividing the particular numbers given and you are getting certain idea that to which particular type of the structure does your particular ionic format is belonging. Okay, let us see with the next numerical. An element with the molar mass 27 gram mole per liter, mole per mole forms a cubic unit cell with the edge length 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. If its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter, what is the nature of the cubic unit cell? Okay, now pay attention. You are given with the molar mass, that is 27. Z, that is you don't know, you have to find out. A is already given to you and D is already given to you. Now dear student, keeping all this into your main formula, that is D is equal to Zm divided by A cube Na. So now what you know the density, you are knowing the molecular mass, you are knowing the A. So A cube you are writing, Na that is Avogadro's number, that is also you are knowing, that is also you are writing. When you are finding out the Z, you are changing the formula, means you are shifting the values and you are getting 2.7 into 4.05 raised to cube into minus 10 into minus 1 into 6.022 into divided by 27. So dear student, when you are solving this, you are getting the value 4. When you are getting the value 4, you can understand that 4 means your Z is 4. Are you getting? When your Z is 4, you can say that constituent particle 4 means which kind of the unit cell it will be belonging. That is your FCC, face centered cubic. Why face centered? Because in face centered you know that each sides are contributing. So when each sides are contributing, you are going to have your structure that will be of your constituent particle number 4. I hope you are getting the numerical. Let me tell you one more important thing, dear students. You have to write down the given values first of all. Try to substitute all the values and solve it. When you will be solving it, you will be getting the answer, which you can verify from this particular video. Okay, let us see with the one more example. An element X, molar mass 60 gram per mole, has a density 6.23 gram per centimeter cube. Identify the type of your cubic unit cell if the edge length of the unit cell is 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Again, a same kind of the question is asked. What you have to do in this? Again, you have to find out the number of Z. What is that? Constituent particles. If you are getting the constituent particles, dear student, you will be getting the idea which type of your unit cell it is. I hope you are getting it. Same method you have to follow. You have to just go for writing the same formula, that is D is equal to Zm divided by A cube and A. Okay, density is already given to you. Z you don't know. Molar mass already 60, that is also given to you. And you know A cube, edge length 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, that is also you are knowing. And Avogadro's number, that is almost we all are knowing this. Now first of all what we will do, we will just make a formula. Z is equal to D into A cube into Na divided by M. Okay, to make it more easy, we have just first of all simplified the formula and now we are going to drop the values. When we are going to drop the values over here, my dear students, and when you are going to solve this, you are going to get 2401.49 डिवाइडेड बाय 600. ओके 600, ये 600 इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि आपको जो 10⁻⁻1 है उसको हम नीचे ले जाते हैं, और उसको जब हम नीचे ले जाते हैं वो 60 into 10 हो गया, तो 600 हो गया. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड दिस, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द आंसर दैट इज 4. Again you are getting the 4 answer over here. That means your cell is having the answer 4, means आपका जो constant particle है 4 आ रहा है, मतलब कि आपका unit cell कौन सा हुआ, face centered. It is again the face centered unit cell. Again you can solve it and you can just try to check it whether you are getting the same values or not. And still if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, now one more numerical for today we will be doing in this particular video. So this is our next numerical. An element with the density 11.2 gram per centimeter cube forms an it is actually free lattice with the edge length 4 into 10⁻⁸ centimeter. Calculate the atomic mass of the element. You are given Na is already we are knowing, there is no need to given, even if they are not giving we are knowing it. Okay, D डेंसिटी कितनी है 11.2, Z कितना है, इट इज 4. ओके, A is equal to 4 into 10⁻⁸ centimeter. M we don't know and Avogadro's number we are knowing. Okay, फेस सेंटर्ड, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे जो फॉर्म ऑफ द FEE फी लेटाइस लिखा हुआ है वो फेस लेटाइस है, इसलिए आपका Z is equal to 4. Now in this case what happens, you are knowing that your Z is equal to 4, your D you are knowing. What you have to find out, you have to find out the atomic mass. You have to find out the atomic mass. So what we are going to do here, we are going to use the same formula. Dear student, आप जब एग्जाम में आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स पूछे जाए तो आप पहले गिवन लिखिए, गिवन लिखेंगे उसका भी कुछ पॉइंट्स देंगे, वो आपको स्कोर्स देंगे. गिवन के बाद फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, उसका भी पॉइंट्स मिलेगा आपको. डोंट स्किप आउट एनीथिंग. यू आर नोइंग द फॉर्मूला एंड द मेन फॉर्मूला इज D is equal to ZM divided by A cube Na. So it is very simple formula, that is what you have to use over here. We will simplify it in order to find out the atomic mass. M is equal to D into A cube into Na divided by Z. So when you are going to drop all the values which you are already knowing, it is very simple. You have to just drop the values and you have to solve it. But dear student, try to understand, do not make any mistake in division, dividing any numbers or multiplying. Okay. So in this case you are getting your M is equal to 107.9 gram per mole. So dear student, this is your 4 numericals I have given you in this video, which you can practice it off and you can try it off because it is very important one. So they can ask you this kind of the numericals from chapter number 1. So try to solve it, and still if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me. And it is the FEE what is written, that is actually the face lattice. So face lattice means you are talking about the face centered cube. Okay, so copy it off, and still if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. Few more numericals, we'll be observing it into the next video.